Good morning, everyone. Hope your morning was positive. Guys, yesterday, as you may remember, I did a quiz survey on how you interact with technology and apps, and we discussed bringing laptops with you today. And if you don't have one, the school will provide them for you. And I see everyone is prepared and ready for class today. That's great. So let me check the attendance. Everyone is here, which is good. Let's begin our lesson. Guys, surely each of you paid attention to the wildlife of your city. And some of you may have even rescue or feed, for example, cats or dogs. Yes, Kevin? You feed birds on your balcony. That's great. Well done. Yes, Jessica? You and your family feed street cats and even foster them. You guys are just great and kind. But let's also think about what life is like for animals being in the city streets, good or bad for them, and how people can help them. Should we ignore uncontrolled breeding? Let me show you. A lot of dogs in the streets. So the cats. Or is it okay to have pets just for fun? Yeah. What responsibility do we have for the living creatures in our city? Let me show you the picture. How you may see, it's a veterinarian, and veterinarian treats the dog. It's important. Question like this make you think. The task is you need to write about the animal life on the streets in your city. What difficulties it faces in the city, what it eats, where it sleeps. Some animals are beneficial, some can be pests. Yes, Kevin? Or is it the main pest a human being? I can't say for sure. You can write about any animal, even it is an insect, like the scarab beetle, for example. He is just an adorable guy, you see? Yes. Now, please open the app we discussed and installed yesterday on your gadgets. How you may see, there are a huge number of illustrations in this app from which you will need to choose for your essay. I remind you, essay topic, the animals of my town. I have a picture that I chose. A fox in the streets. It can be. Okay, so you will need to write a text, attach select pictures, make a mini presentation, and share with your classmates. Just choose colorful picture, think about the text, and inspiration will come to you. You may also use Mindweb writing diagram, which we've covered in previous lessons. Yeah, you remember? Good. Before you begin your assignment, let me show you an example of one of my students' work. He wrote about a small bird that weighs only 4 grams, named the golden crowded kinglet. It's found in a mountainous region of his town. It is very difficult to spot from a distance, and the eggs it lays are the size of a beet. You see how small? This is the finger, a human finger, and this is the egg, very little. Yes, Kevin, enlightening information. Yes, John, it's about the size of a colibri. Yeah, you're right. Very small. There's two of them in one human hand. Okay. Yes, this bird is very rare to see, and you never know what unique animal you might come across. So, you have 40 minutes to complete the assignment. You must write about 15-20 sentences and attach a couple of illustrations. The assignment will be graded online, considering the feedback from 2 classmates. And about the interesting homework, I will tell you at the end of the lesson. Get started and may you be inspired.